Hello, my name is Henry. I will be your guide for today's meditation session. I learned meditation in the Himalayas and have been guiding people in meditation for several years. Let's get started. First, we'll bring our awareness to the lower legs. Relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Relax the hips and the pelvic area. Relax the stomach and the navel region. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the upper arms. Relax the lower arms. Relax the hands. Relax the upper arms. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw, corners of the mouth. Relax the cheeks. Relax the forehead. Now we'll bring our awareness to the nostrils and observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and as we exhale. Now we'll follow the breath as we inhale, following the flow of air down the esophagus and into the lungs, expanding the abdomen and the navel region. And we'll follow the air as it exits the body, as the lungs contract, the abdomen and navel region contract naturally, expelling air back through the nostrils. We'll hold our awareness here at the nostrils, simply observing the air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and as we inhale. We'll allow ourselves to be, maintaining body relaxation. If you feel any tension in the lower body, again relax. Any tension in the upper body, again relax. And keeping our awareness at the tips of the nostrils. Observing the flow of air as it passes. Maintaining a normal, relaxed breath. Keeping the spine erect. Keeping the head up. Hands and feet relaxed. Keep our awareness at the tips of the nostrils. Again, we'll follow the air as it passes the nostrils, and we'll follow it down the esophagus into the lungs, filling up the abdomen. And exhale as the abdomen contracts and the air passes back up through the esophagus and out through the nostrils. And we'll relax the forehead. Relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. Relax the shoulders. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the stomach. Relax the pelvis, upper legs, and lower legs. Namaste.